What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Salesforce CRM or Customer Relationship Management platform and its different features. CRM is an essential part of any business since customer satisfaction is important for this business growth. So let's get right through the video. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's salesforce.com, and you'll land on their homepage right here, where you can get some information about the Salesforce Customer 360, which is their CRM name. You get some info here and some links. What is CRM? Why choose Salesforce? And discover how it helps your organization, so on, as well as some reviews, testimonials, some video tutorials, and some info about the platform, as well as some integrations, like for example with Slack and other info. So here, now to get started creating your account, just click here on try for free, and then it'll ask for some info to start your 30 days free trial, like your first name, last name, job title, as well as some other info, so like 9 questions in total. So I'll just enter them and then finish the sign up process. Okay, now after I entered my information, I am redirected to this page where I am like given some questions to further like customize my experience. So what brings you to the Salesforce? Let's say just exploring for now. What's your highest priority today? Let's say managing my pipeline. What is your experience with sales platform? I'm new to all CRM software. Okay, submit. And then you are redirected to your main home page right here. So here it says that I have 30 days left in my trial since I just created my account. And here this is like to kick off my account or my 30 days trials. These are some like quick tours on how to connect with customers, manage deals, manage accounts, simplify and enforce process, and forecast revenue. So for now, I'm just closing this like pop-up or this tutorial. And here I can leave feedback. I can click to buy now. So let's click on buy now to take a look at their plans. Here you have the essentials, which isn't available. And you have 2 available plans, which is the professional for $80 a month and the enterprise for $165 a month. And here you can view more details about each plan. So let's close this for now, as we want to continue only exploring the features of the platform. So here you have in the sales, you have your home with like your reports, your sales activity, some insights, some like info. So my leads, my opportunities, and so on, with some sample like deals and account names and statistics. And here you have your sales operations, like products, price books, quotes, forecast orders, and contracts. And here you have your leads. So here you can create a new lead or view my leads. Of course, I haven't added any leads since this is a newly created account. I can click here to add a new lead. Here, a new or working, nurturing, qualified, and so on. So salutation, and I can enter their name, middle name, last name, suffix, title, email, phone number. So basically the info of my lead or my customers and their website and so on. Let's cancel it for now. In the accounts here, I can add a new account. In the contacts, I can create a new contact. Opportunities, I can create a new opportunity or view the recent records. These are of course some sample records made just to view how it works. So let's click on one of them to view it in action. So the stage is in negotiating. So this is like an opportunity for my company, or a sample of opportunity for my company. The price here and the details, like the account name, the owner, the amount, the close date, the stage, probability, and so on. And here I can view some additional information and so on here. Now, in the calendar, I can click on calendar. Of course, I don't have any record to show right now. I can click on forecast to view any forecasts available. Okay, so these are the opportunities names. Of course, anyone with the account, the amount, close date, stage, and so on. So I can take a look at all my opportunities right here. Here I have my main dashboard. I have my marketing dashboard, my executive sponsor, and my sales manager dashboard right here. So if I click on dashboards, of course, I don't have any dashboard right here. However, I can create a new dashboard that will appear. Here I can enter the name, the description, the folder, so on. So let's close this for now. I can view all the dashboards right here. So these are some sample dashboards, like the adoption dashboard, the agent supervisor, and so on. So let's click on one of them to view it, how it'll look like. Okay, so these are all the info regarding this dashboard. So user logged in, only one, the completed activities, the total of active users, stuff like that. Here you have reports. You have marketing executive leads by source, salesperson activities, and sales executive pipeline. And here you have your quotes. So of course I don't have any quotes yet since this is a new account. Okay, and here you have your apps right here. So you can search apps and items. You can view apps for sales, inside sales, sales leader, success managers, and others. So you can click here to view all. I can click here to view all the apps here. And I can scroll down to view all items listed by account, analytics, assets, and so on. So let's view, for example, the apps for my account. Okay, I haven't subscribed yet to anything. I have to subscribe to manage them. Okay, let's close it for now. Here I have my profile with my all settings. So density, the company, comfy or compact. To view more or less info, I can read the settings and log out. I can click here on this plus icon to add create a new action. So create a new task, new event, log a call, new note, new contact, new opportunity, and new lead. Here, all from within this menu right here. I can here view the guidance center, some info, some settings for my account, and these are the notifications. And here, if I click on my profile icon and click on my name right here, I can view the details about my account and some info about like my email, my sample work that or notes that I created. Of course, these are all sample notes and deals lists generated by the platform itself. So this was like a quick overview tutorial of the Salesforce platform and its different features for CRM.